Okay, so this is the serial number. We changed the liquid level meter model. This is the new. So if we see the remote controller, here we can see this, but look, it's not marking the 12 liters that was on the first time in the all liquid level. So we're gonna up this the model. Here it is. So now I'm gonna drop it. Look, comes faster to the 1.25 liters. In the other, if we see
static altitude shifting.
If we remember in the other, we see that the was a few seconds on 12 liters and later drop it to 1.25 liters. I'm gonna level up again. Here it is. I'm gonna drop it again. And if we see, not got stuck it on 12 liters. So the problem here are irregular levels on the liquid level. So to fix this problem, we changed the liquid level meter model.